Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting access to the joystick. Do it now, not later. Power down the console, unplug, and remove the controller battery or disconnect wirelessly so you avoid accidental input. Once done, remove the outer shell or back clip to expose the analog module. Make sure to note how screws and clips sit so reassembly is simple. You will clean and then recalibrate. So prepare a cotton swab with isopropyl and a toothpick for precise debris removal before moving to deeper fixes. Now you tackle the heart of drift, contaminants or worn internal parts. Start by gently moving the stick while brushing to lift debris. Dab a swab in isopropyl and clean the shaft junction, then use a toothpick to dislodge trapped fibers. If drift persists, test the potentiometer by wiggling the shaft and observing readings or jitter. Replace the analog socket or magnetic sensor with an OEM-compatible module because worn sensors cannot be reliably tuned. Once swapped, tighten mounts and reseat connectors firmly. You finish by reassembling and calibrating. Make sure plastic clips align and screws are snug without over-torquing, which can bend the sensor. Once reassembled, power on, navigate to controller calibration, set neutral, and test in a simple game or diagnostic screen. Adjust dead zones slightly if needed, but keep it minimal to preserve precision. If small drift remains, update controller firmware, repeat cleaning and calibration, and as a last resort, replace the entire analog module. If problems persist, check connect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.